Chào các con buổi sáng, các con khỏe không? How are you today? This is Miss Nguyen. So today we continue to practice on text 3.4a, multi-step word problem. So in this word problem, you will see they ask you more than one steps to find the solution. So again, let's review with our different type of question. As again, Miss Nguyen mentioned about there are 12 different type of question, but if you know these three part whole model and comparing models, you will be able to answer all the type of question they have. So for the part whole, if they give you a whole on this side, if you give you a whole and they're looking for a missing part, so you need to subtract by doing a whole take away part will be finding a part. On the other hand, if they're missing a whole, then you're going to add the whole is equal to part plus part. Does it make sense? So whole, if they give you a whole, they give you a missing part, you're going to take away or subtract. If they're looking for a whole and they give you two parts, you're going to add the two parts to make a whole. For another type of question is comparing, would be something more, something less, something longer, something shorter. So if the different unknown is the big one, so if the big one right here, we should have another model of this one, right? So if we have the big unknown, so you are going to add the one already, the part already given with the difference. If the unknown is a small, which is right here, so they give you the longer strip, the shorter one, and the known is small. You are going to subtract from the longer part to the shorter part to find the difference. Okay, so let's practice with our first problem here. Erica's goal is to practice playing her guitar for 300 minutes this week. On Sunday, she practiced for 117 minutes. On Tuesday, she practiced for 58 minutes. How many more minutes does Erica need to practice in order to meet her goal? So we are going to show our work. Her goal is to practice how many minutes per week? 300 minutes this week. So what do you know about this? This is all she practiced, or she could practice more? That's right. She practiced 300 as a whole. So I'm putting the W there just to remind herself this is the whole. On Sunday, she practiced this much. 117. On Tuesday, she practiced 58 minutes. And they want to see how many more does she need to practice in order to meet her goal. So it looked like this she need to practice 3 different days to meet her goal of 300. So I'm going to draw my strip diagram here, okay? So as I know, she need to practice 300. So I'm going to write 300. That's the total that we have. She needs to practice 3 different times to complete her goal. So when I divide my strip diagram, it doesn't have to be perfect. I just need to know there's 3 parts. So I know there are 117 so far. So maybe on Sunday. Okay. On Tuesday, she practiced 58. And then another day that she need to practice some. So I'm going to put a decent for day. She needs to practice, I don't know how much more she does to complete the 300. There are 2 ways that you can do. So because they already give you a whole, a part, in this case you have another part right here. Part and a missing part right here. So there's 2 ways that you can do. First of all, you can take a whole, subtract for the part. So you can do 300, take away 117, take away 58. Okay, equal to the square. Another way that you can do is, first of all, we're going to add the 2 parts together first. Right here. So step 1, I'm going to do 117 plus 58 equal to an answer, right? Okay, I'm going to put an answer here too. And then that just find a total for two part. It's not, we didn't find the missing one right here. So what we can do, we can take the 300, take away the answer that we just have to find the question that we have. So Miss Win going to show you two different ways. So first of all, I'm going to do this. So I'm going to have 300. I'm going to move this one up here. On your paper, if you have extra space, you do it. 300 take away 117. 0 cannot take away, and this 0 cannot let borrow. So you're going to have the 3 become a 2, this one become a 10. Now this one have something to let borrow, so this become a 9, this one become a 10. So 10 take away 7 is 3. 9 take away 1, 8. 2 take away 1 is 1. So now let's continue taking away 58. So we have 183 take away 58. 3 cannot take away 8, so we group this one become a 7, this one become a 13. 13 take away 8, grab 8, count to 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's 5. And then 7 take away 5, 2. 1 take away nothing is 1. So the answer is 125 right here. Okay? Miss Win going to see if Miss Win use a different strategy will make it happen. I'm going to use the screen on the left right here. So we have 117. If you don't have space, just make root. 117 plus root plus 58. If you have some space, just make it somewhere. So 8 plus 7, 15. Pressure point. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. And then 1. And then so my answer is 175 right here. Keep in mind, I need to take away 300, take away 175. So we have 300, take away 175. Okay, I'm going to use a different color. So this one will be a 2, 2. This one become a 10. Now this one become a 9, this one become a 10. 10 take away 5 will be 5. 9 take away 7, 2. 2 take away 1, 1. So the answer is still 125. So regardless of what strategy Miss Win use, I can keep subtracting all the part from the 300 as you can have the answer of 125. Or Miss Win can first add two part together and take away the whole from the two part I just add as to get the answer of 125. So yes, she need to practice 125 minutes more. So our answer to this question is A. Okay? Okay. Next question. Miss Elizondo shipped yogurt cup to the store on Monday. She shipped 648 cup of strawberry. She shipped 216 cup of peach yogurt. And she shipped 264 cup of vanilla yogurt. How many more cup of strawberry yogurt did Miss Elizondo ship than a cup of peach and vanilla yogurt combined? Alright, so this is another type of combine. So let's go ahead and show our work here. She need to ship to the store on Monday, so she shipped 600 cup of 648 strawberry yogurt, 216 peach yogurt, and 264. Now they say how many more. When you hear how many more, subtract. You subtract from what? You subtract from the strawberry cup, then the peach and vanilla combine. When you hear the word combine, you're going to add. Okay? So first of all, we need to note strawberry cup will be 648. Then peach will be 216, 216, and vanilla will be 264 combined. So step 1. So I'm going to put on the strip diagram. Okay, so we combine, you compare. No, I'm sorry, not this strip diagram. I am going to compare. I'm going to put clean here. Okay, perfect. I am going to draw the strawberry. So strawberry is this much. Okay. So next one will be the two part that we have. So 648 will be strawberry. So THR. And then we have 216 stand for peach. And then we have 264 stand for vanilla. And they're looking for the difference here, okay? The difference here. So there are two ways that you can do. As a previous problem, you can take away 648. Take away, okay, let me spin by smaller. Alright, 648. Take away 216. Take away 264 equal to this. Or another way that you can do is to combine the two together first. So 216 plus 264. So whatever you find the answer right here, then you're going to take this arrow. You're going to take 648, take away this answer that you just found will be the answer to the problem. Does that make sense? So I'm going to leave you this way. So even though the question type as is kind of different, but after we draw our strip diagram, it go back to the same type of question. So you are going to solve using a two different way to see if you have the right answer and circle the correct answer for Miss Nguyen. Don't forget to place your answer sheet or your worksheet into your homeroom folder. Alright, thank you so much. Tạm biệt. Bye bye.